Have you ever had a gut-wrenching experience? Felt butterflies in your stomach? Or just had a bad feeling about something? What if I told you that those aren't just expressions? That your gut is literally talking to your brain? Because it basically is one, meet your second brain. Officially known as the enteric nervous system, or ENS. This isn't a metaphor, it's a real, physical network of over 100 million nerve cells lining your gastrointestinal tract, from your esophagus all the way down. That's more neurons than in your entire spinal cord. And this vast neural network can operate almost completely independently from the brain in your head. It handles all the complex business of digestion, breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, managing waste all on its own, without you ever having to think about it. But the connection goes much deeper than just digestion. Your gut and your head are in constant, intimate conversation through a massive nerve called the vagus nerve. Think of it as a superhighway of information. And about 90% of the signals are actually going from your gut to your brain, not the other way around. This is why your mental state directly affects your stomach. Stress can trigger nausea. Anxiety can cause stomach cramps. That's your head brain affecting your gut brain. But the truly mind-blowing part is that the reverse is even more powerful. Your gut is constantly sending signals that change your mood, your decisions, and even your personality. And a big part of that conversation comes from your gut's permanent residence. Your microbiome. Trillions of bacteria live inside you. And these microbes don't just help you digest food. They actually manufacture powerful neurochemicals. In fact, it's estimated that your gut produces about 90% of your body serotonin, the key hormone that stabilizes our mood, feelings of well-being, and happiness. So the feeling of contentment after a good meal? You might literally be feeling the chemical messages your gut bacteria are sending to your head. This changes everything. It means the food you eat directly influences the chemistry of your brain. It asks the difference between feeling sluggish and foggy after a junk food binge versus feeling clear and energetic after a healthy meal. You're feeding your second brain, and it's talking back. So the next time you feel a gut feeling, don't ignore it. You're not just being emotional. You re-listening to the whispers of a hidden network of 100 million neurons and trillions of bacteria. It's the most complex, fascinating conversation happening inside you right now. And you're only just starting to hear it.